Srt4 Jonathan. No. Hello guys, welcome back to another vlog today. Oh shit, I forgot to introduce myself. My name is Srt4 Media. We're here back, or you call me Alex. We're back with another vlog. We got Jason's car and Jonathan's car right there. What's up? What up? What the hell is this? You wanna see how the camera? Hey guys, if you guys don't know who this is my boy Jonathan. It's Dessert's friend. The guy I did the video on, full carbon fiber GTR. I mean, fuck, I'm not full carbon fiber Srt4. We'll find a spot so you could talk. We're not gonna get into detail of what it has. We're just gonna really talk about how fast it is and things like that. But if you guys don't know who this is, it's Jonathan Srt4. Follow him on Instagram right here. And we're here with my brother. He does not, I'll blur out his face because he does not want to be seen. But yeah, we're here just chilling, vlogging, you know, back to back. We'll try to get more vlogs in for you guys. Copyrighted music, but it's all good. It's all good. We're almost to 1,000. Wow, we hit 600 yesterday. We hit 700 today. No, yes, wait. We hit 600 in one day. Okay, we hit 500 in like 3 days. We hit 600 in one day. We hit 700 just yesterday or today, I forgot. But we're already at 750, I think. And we're gonna get to 100 ASAP. Probably by today, most likely. But yeah, we're just chilling, just vlogging, you know. We're about to see what kind of balls this Srt4 has. If you guys are new to the channel, If you guys are new to this channel, make sure to like, comment, subscribe, and just stay tuned for the new content, more videos. Maybe GTR versus Srt4 soon. SS. But yeah, just stay tuned. Guys, if you guys are from San Jose, make sure to let me know where you guys are from. You guys from the south side, east side? We're currently on the east side right now. If you guys know this place, I don't know what this street's called, but we're here on the east side. You can tell by the traffic. Yeah, you can tell by the traffic. This place right here, I guess. He lives on the east side, I live on the south side. It's two different places, not that far. It's only a 5-minute drive. But yeah, this is just a video on Jonathan's Srt4. We're not gonna tell you the horsepower limit. We want you guys to figure that out. The horsepower, he said stock, like he said, just said right now, stock as fuck. But yeah, I want you guys to figure out the horsepower limit. Comment down below how much horsepower you think it is. I'll show the clips of the pulls and everything, and just let me know what you guys think. And I'm gonna be posting Jonathan's pictures because we're gonna shoot pictures. I'm gonna shoot pictures. Fuck. I'm gonna shoot pictures with them in a bit. So if you guys want to go check out those pictures, go to my Instagram account and his Instagram account, RMRZ Media right here, and Srt4 Jonathan right here. And yeah, just well, I'm gonna tag my brother as well. If you guys want to go follow him, he's my manager. Go right here, down here. Go follow him, and yeah, just stay tuned for more content like this. If you guys want me to review Srt4, what's his name? Fazert. Coming soon, more collabs with him as well. I'm gonna put him on, and I hope you guys can subscribe to him as well. His channel and his Instagram right here below, Fazert. And yeah, just make sure to keep watching these videos. They're gonna be lit. Yeah, we're here. No gauges for now, because we do not want to show the pounds of booze. Maybe it's over there, but I won't show. Yeah, we're here. We're in the Aztec world. No, I'm just kidding. We got the fresh, the vape vans we're rocking today. A little bit of man hair sponsor, O'Reilly Auto Parts. Thank you. Sponsor today. Sponsor today. I'm gonna play the ad. Yeah, we're gonna go shop for some O'Reilly Auto Parts. Maybe a $25 intake for today. Oh. Bigger turbo? Bigger turbo for like $15? Bigger snoo? O'Reilly. Yeah, we're here with Srt4 On. He's rocking the fit. Fresh as fuck.
No, you can't show the Gucci.
O'Reilly Auto Parts.
Swing on the track.
Bigger snoo?
My car is making a funny noise,
What kind of noise?
like a...
What's that?
Out here with the bird. We put it. Carbon fiber. Deep it.
Alright, then yeah, I'll give it to you in here. I'll give them to you and put them in there.
Nice.
Snack pack.
Snack pack. Oh, no snack packs around here. Got carbon fiber right here. Carbon fiber in the back. You guys play Fortnite. My brother and Jonathan always play like every fucking night. There's not one time I could play Forza Horizon with my friends because Ivan's always on the fucking Xbox. But if you guys want to go play with them, I'll put their Xbox, whatever. But he has PS4, he has Xbox. He said PS4, Xbox is for gays. But if you guys want to go play Fortnite with them, their names will be in the description below. Their Fortnite names, whatever. I don't know. I don't play Fortnite. I'm not a queer. But yeah.
You don't want it, huh? You don't want it. You don't want it either. They don't want it, bro.
Okay, you guys don't want it? Well, give them the sauce. Their names will be in the description below. Their Fortnite names. Time. The classic Mustang. Jonathan, watch this. Not the Mustang. No. What do you think? Sounds perfect. Amazing.
Sounds gay as fuck.
Is that him again? No, it's not him. It's just very clean. You guys are liking the vlog so far. I know it's kind of boring, but just like it. Guys, I'm that desperate. I'm just kidding. No, but if you guys like the vlog, just make sure to like, comment, subscribe. Just follow the boys, follow me, and just like, comment, subscribe. And I hope you guys are liking the vlog. We're gonna leave Ivan here. He's not coming in the car. And for those who are asking, no, I do not own a car. I will tell you for the last time and the final time, I own a tricycle. We got a crowd killer right there. I don't know if it's V6, V8. Watch out. Fresh Kicks is in town. I did not meet him. I did want to meet him, but he's not in town. He's not in my area. If you guys don't know who Fresh Kicks is, I mentioned him in the other video. If you guys are from the east side, you always see a lot of trucks. There's one truck right there, one truck right there, one truck right here, one truck right here. There's a bunch of trucks everywhere, man. And this ugly ass G. Well, I mean, who am I kidding? I don't even have a car. Why am I even talking? I mean, I have a tricycle that counts as a car though. 3 wheels. There's another truck right there. There's a bunch of trucks out here, guys. If you guys are from the east side and you guys live in this block.
Oh, wait. There's another one.
There's another truck coming by. See, I'm telling you guys, this is like truck mania. Look at this. Oh no. Troqueando. Everywhere, cuz. If you guys are going to Area 51 and you guys have space, please invite me. I want to go too. King of Story. Oh, King of San Antonio. Oh. On fire. See, I'm telling you guys, there's a bunch of fucking trucks here. 1 truck, 2 truck, 3 trucks. There's a bunch of trucks, man. Shouts out to you. That truck right there. Leo, if you're watching my video, just know that I miss you, and I know that sounds kind of gay, but the boy misses you. You should come back down here, just so we could you could take over the vlog. You know, if you guys want to follow him on Instagram, his Instagram's down here. Go follow Leo on Instagram. Gunshots, gunshots, gunshots. This? What is this, Jonathan? Gay ass car. Oh, 1 more and then it's empty. We're not going the wrong way. No, we're going the right way. Okay guys, the sunset's looking good on me, I know, but let's not get distracted. We're here with Srt4 Jonathan. So we're gonna give you a rundown on what he has in his car. Not exactly everything, but we're gonna tell you the basic things he has.
So pretty much this is my SRT4. I have full bolt-ons on E85, a little bit of boost, keeps up with mostly a lot of these cars out here, but still stock block, stock head, so it limits me from the horsepower that I want to be at, but that's it. That's
pretty much it, and we're not gonna tell you how much horsepower it has because he wants to keep that a secret. Because we will be making a fucking I think a series, some video called SRT4 versus the world. Stay tuned for that, and we're gonna find people who to race. If you guys want to race them, if you guys are from San Jose or the Bay Area, make sure to comment down below. Oh shit, I'm not supposed to be showing that. I won't show them blurred out. But yeah. We'll be making a video called SRT4 versus the world, and we're just gonna find people to race and show you guys what this SRT4 can do, and see who he could gap. Pretty much like all the people we race. This SRT4 does have a lot of potential balls, as you'd want to say, but yeah, this is our buddy Jonathan. His SRT4. We're not gonna see how much horsepower. I want you guys to comment down below on how much horsepower you think he's got. We know the certain amount of number. Yeah, just comment down below and tell us how much horsepower you guys think this car has. And if you guys want me to upload more vlogs, let me know, because I love vlogging. I enjoy it. We're about to hit 1,000 subscribers. Thank you for that. And Levon, please head in the car. No, I'm just kidding. No, I'm just kidding. No, we're about to head out. Yeah, we'll try to get some pulls right now. It's about to get dark, but the sunset's looking fire in the San Jose area. If you guys are from San Jose, make sure to say hi if you guys see me. I vlog in public like most of the time, but I hardly ever vlog because I think I'm gonna get a job and I'm gonna work for this car that I'm not gonna tell you guys yet. I have 3 choices in mind. I'm gonna put a down payment or just pay off the car itself and just buy it and just see how this goes. And yeah, just make sure to like, comment, subscribe, and we'll show you some pulls if Jonathan could do some for us in a bit. But yeah, peace out. But yeah, guys, make sure you guys go follow Jonathan. Make sure to go follow my brother, like I said. He's my manager. But yeah, guys, if you guys see us around or see Jonathan, make sure to say what's up. I know a bunch of you guys. You do not want to go up there, lady. It's just a stock SRT4. It's just a stock SRT4, guys. Thank you for 700 subscribers, guys. We're about to hit 800. That is absolutely amazing. In a week, we hit We hit 500, 600, 700, and we're about to hit 800. And to be honest with you, I have a possibility by the end of this weekend, ending off a Sunday, could possibly end off with 1,000 subscribers. Thank you guys so much for subscribing. I won't let you guys down. And just like share the videos, make sure to like, comment, subscribe, and I just hope you guys can stick along and just watch the videos. A lot of crazy content, and I'm gonna have my car as soon as possible, and just, you know, meet new people along the way and just enjoy what I do, which is vlogging and more pictures on my Instagram, like I said, and I'll say it one more time. Follow them on Instagram, follow me on Instagram, RMRZ Media, Srt4 Jonathan, and my brother, Levon.
Ready or what?
Yes, sir. I'll catch you later, bro.
Later.
Say bye to the vlog.
Later, vlog.
Later, vlog. You guys know the channel?
People always talk about my come up, cause I've been going on every summer. Pussy wanna talk about numbers, but your manager buying swipe show, so bummy ain't nobody out now. They can